Let's look at the arm position while we're playing the harp. This is really important because your arms create a stable frame for your fingers to do all the hard work. And what we don't want is to have our arms not supporting us and then our fingers aren't able to play with good technique. So your elbows shouldn't be stuck to your sides. That's a common mistake. And we want to have our elbows able to move freely while we're playing the harp. And so we don't want it to be all the way up here, because that takes a lot of energy to keep it up there. And we don't want to be completely down on our sides because then we can't move freely and we're not going to get the wrist at a good angle. So the upper arm will be about 45 degrees from the vertical. So not up here, not down here against your body. It's just going to be at about 45 degrees. Do you see that? And your wrist should have a gentle curve like this, maybe a slight dip in it, a gentle valley, but never a hill. Watch out for that. And if it doesn't feel comfortable to have a slight curve like this, it's also okay if your wrist is completely flat. If you have physical limitations, it may not be possible for you to get the typical harp technique. So if you're struggling with any of this, put a comment down in the comments section. Tell us what physical limitations you have and we'll see if we can help you out with some answers. In the next video, we're going to look at hand position for the harp. So click through over here and I'll see you there.